Every time a plane lands, the brakes take a tremendous pounding and undergo rapid and extreme temperature changes. This, together with rain-soaked runways, salt and brake dust, cause the brake components to live in a harsh environment. After so many landings, the wear indicators will signal time for service and overhaul to maintain a safe aircraft. For many years, aircraft brake cleaning has consisted of putting the torque tubes and stator rings into a blast cabinet and manually firing media to remove dust, paint and contaminants. This can be a dirty, labour-intensive task. For example, to clean a brake set, torque tube and stator rings from a 737 aircraft can take up to 1 hour, and this can be an expensive labour cost for a business and adds time to the turnaround of the components before they are back in service. Cleaning components in this way means they have to be cleaned individually and introduces the possibility of the components getting mixed up in the process, which is most undesirable. But imagine if a full brake set, even from a DC-10, could be cleaned in just 10 minutes instead of 1 hour. Imagine if the cleaning could be done without labour costs and without the concern of hazardous dust. All of this is possible with the Aerota produced by Oddlings MCR Limited from the United Kingdom. The new way to clean aviation torque tubes and stator rings efficiently and effectively. Oddlings MCR Limited are manufacturers and suppliers of blast cleaning and degreasing equipment for every aspect of industry all over the world. The Aerota system has been built specifically for cleaning aircraft brake components and was designed by Oddlings in conjunction with a major aircraft brake manufacturer, overhaul and service company to accommodate brakes from all major aircraft and meets the needs of workshops all over the world. The time and cost savings arising from using the Oddlings Aerota are phenomenal, and airlines and brake manufacturers who use the system in their business have never looked back. Since installing the Oddlings Aerota, one brake overhaul company has doubled their throughput and turnaround on brake servicing. There is little doubt the Aerota system is a revolution in aircraft brake cleaning. But how does it work? The unit can be loaded with an optional elevator to reduce risk of personal injury or back strain. The unit is specifically designed to accept a full brake set from all the popular airliners in service today, including the DC-10. The full set of components are kept together during cleaning, which is most desirable during service and overhaul. The loading of the Aerota is simple and straightforward. Torque tube in the centre and stator rings either side. The torque tube is secured in this way. Or if you have torque tubes which allow too much side-to-side movement, for example from the 757 or 737, then this frame is used. When a torque tube is without a flange, for example from the A320, this frame is used and bolted to the underside of the torque tube. Ensure the basket is secured with locking pins and no parts can fall out whilst in operation. When loaded, the lid is closed and the timer is set to 10 to 15 minutes. The fully automatic cleaning process begins, allowing the operator to carry on with other tasks. During the cleaning process, the specially designed drum rotates slowly, allowing the cleaning media to get at all surfaces of the components to give an overall even finish on the brake set. The Aerota has its own built-in dust extractor, which leaves the components and the working environment dust-free, reducing any health and safety risks. When the cycle is finished, the machine will switch off automatically, and the cleaned brake parts can then be removed. As with all cleaning procedures, cleaned components should go through an MPI or dye pen test to ensure total serviceability. The machine can be loaded immediately with the next batch of brake parts. Simple, quick and very effective. The cabinet is constructed of reinforced high-grade steel and rubber lined to reduce noise and wear. The base of the cabinet has a manganese steel lined trough, which houses the twin chromed steel paddles to propel the blast media. The impellers are protected by triple sealed bearings, which give years of service with minimal maintenance. The routine removal of dust from the extraction unit and maintenance are covered after this brief presentation film. The Aerota is freestanding and can be quite easily moved if equipment is being rearranged in the workshop. The system is compatible with all worldwide power sources and carries a full CE certification. If you relate the cost of the machine in terms of labour time saved by the operator and a high standard of uniformly cleaned components, the Aerota will become a valuable piece of equipment in your brake overhaul workshop. For more information, please contact Oddlings MCR Limited.